Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we've got something truly special in store for you. We're about to unveil the top 5 most useful AI-powered websites in 2023 that can supercharge your online presence and creativity. But here's the kicker. Every single tool on our list is absolutely free. That's right, folks. $0 spent. So grab your notepads, subscribe to this channel for more tips, and let's dive right into it. Our first AI gem is tango.us. Now, who doesn't love a good how-to guide, right? Whether you're trying to learn a new skill or streamline your business processes, Tango is here to save the day. Tango automates the process documentation, making it a breeze to create step-by-step guides. Picture this. You can effortlessly capture every intricate detail of a process. But here's the real kicker. It transforms those guides into interactive walkthroughs. That means your users get a hands-on, guided experience, resulting in fewer errors and reduced support tickets. Plus, you get real-time notifications and analytics to improve your guides even further, ensuring they're always up-to-date and highly effective. The tool offers also some limited free access, so you will be able to try it out. It's like having your very own personal guide-making AI at your disposal. Next up, we've got Dectopus AI. Crafting a jaw-dropping presentation has never been this easy. And guess what? It comes with a free plan as well. With Dectopus AI, you can find images and icons effortlessly with just a single click. No more scouring the web for hours, trying to find that perfect visual. It even generates tailored slide notes for your presentation topic, making you look like a pro who spent hours preparing. And the cherry on top? You get access to a bunch of built-in tools like forms, voice recorder, custom domain, webhook, embed URLs, videos, and easy updates. It's like having a personal presentation assistant that's there whenever you need it, making your presentations shine. Alright, and now, to tool number 3, which is an absolute game changer, Smoden.io, the ultimate content creator. Smoden.io is here to effortlessly create high-quality structured text with references. Think about all those essays, articles, or reports you need to write. Now imagine having a writing companion that simplifies the entire process. But it doesn't stop there. You can utilize its AI-powered research tools for authoritative content. Need those pesky references? It generates MLA and APA format references automatically, saving you hours of meticulous citation work. With benefits like fast research, creative idea generation, detailed answers, wide subject knowledge, instant feedback, reputable sources, structured text, professional quality, and 10x faster writing, your writing game is about to go through the roof. The software offers also some limited free access, so you will be able to check it out. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to Smoden.io, your writing productivity partner. Moving on to our next AI tool, BeFunky. It's not just a photo editor, it's your one-stop shop for all things creative. With BeFunky, you can edit photos, create graphic designs, and make photo collages all in one platform. From precise photo cropping to artsy filters, batch editing, and even background removal, it's got you covered, no matter your creative project. You can even access thousands of vector graphics and icons, making designing a breeze. Say goodbye to those expensive design tools and hello to BeFunky, your creative sidekick. And finally, tool number 5, StockImg AI. Need a sleek logo? Let's create it with artificial intelligence. Try it for free. StockImg AI takes the hassle out of logo design. Whether you're starting a new business or rebranding, creating a memorable logo is crucial. With its AI wizardry, you can create stunning images effortlessly. It's like having a virtual logo designer at your disposal. Simply input your preferences, and StockImg AI will generate logo concepts that match your vision. Plus, it's fast and cost-effective, making it the perfect choice for startups and small businesses looking to establish their brand identity without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to expensive design agencies and hello to stock IMG AI, your logo design companion. Check it out for free. There you have it, folks. The top 5 AI-powered tools of 2023 that won't cost you a dime. These aren't just tools. They're your secret weapons to boost productivity, enhance creativity, streamline writing, and design with ease. So go ahead, explore them, and let us know in the comments which one you're most excited to try out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Freepreneurs Net, like, and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Until next time, keep teching and stay curious.